This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving ownership. Sign in to the suspected owner account and immediately open security, right-arrow your devices. You do this to see recent sign-ins and detect anomalies. Once done, update the recovery phone and recovery email so Google can contact you. Enable or confirm two-step verification and generate backup codes. Store them off-device. These first steps prevent lockout and create evidence you control the account, which will speed any recovery or transfer that follows. You must follow Google's account recovery flow precisely. Start from the affected account and answer each prompt honestly. Explain why Google uses these signals to verify you. When asked, supply previous passwords, the month and year the account was created, and frequent contacts or labels. If you used a specific device or location before, choose those options to increase success. Once submitted, monitor the inbox and recovery email for automated responses. Make sure to respond quickly to any follow-up. You finish by locking down the account. Change the password to a long, unique phrase and immediately sign out all other sessions. Then, review third-party app access and revoke anything suspicious. Remove unknown devices. Once done, run Google's security checkup and enable advanced protection if needed. If recovery fails, one key troubleshooting tip: use the same device and network you used most frequently with the account, because Google weights that data heavily during verification. Try different recent passwords and precise dates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.